In this video, we're going to take this skull that I found in a field. It's pretty gross, pretty dirty. It doesn't have any flesh on it, which is good, but it is dirty. So we're going to clean it up and we're going to make this. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video. I'll just walk you through the steps. If you want to learn how to create a skull painting using the Fordite method, then check out this video. On this particular skull, there was no remaining flesh or grease deposits. Had there been some flesh or, obvious signs of grease, I would have put this skull in boiling water for a period of time or soaked it in a 40% peroxide solution, depending on the amount of flesh and grease present. In this case, neither was required, just a strong washing with water and then setting it out to dry in the sun. When it was all dry, then I used an air compressor to blow out the remaining debris. Before I start the wet sanding process, I visualize how I want the skull to look and where I'm going to sand in order to get the desired look. Then the sanding starts. Lots and lots of small little circles. And you want to be sure to wipe off the debris, the paint that you've sanded off frequently so that you don't go too deep. Because if you go too deep, then you're into bone. If you do, it kind of changes the look of the skull, but it's not the end of the world, because at the end, the very last thing you do is you put a clear coat on. And so that exposed bone will get protected. It won't have the protection that you would normally have if you, have 20 layers of paint. You'll just have a thin clear coat on, but it still will get protected. So it's not the end of the world. But sand, small circles, wipe off to make sure you're getting the desired result. And voila,